Welcome, everyone. Today, we are talking about something, something that can bring an entire industrial operation in KSA to a complete stop. So, let me ask you, if you are a manager or an engineer, what do you think is the biggest hidden threat to your operational uptime?
Wallah, it's not always the big machinery. A simple pipe, a hidden leak. This is where the disaster starts. We at AskA Solution, we have seen this for over 30 years.
Okay, let's dive into this problem. Tie up. What are we really talking about here? It's more than just a leak. The cost of just 1 hour of downtime. It's huge. The numbers can be staggering depending on your industry, whether it's oil and gas, manufacturing, or a major construction project. And this brilliantly illustrates the chain reaction. It starts with lost production, then come the project delays, safety risks, and of course, your reputation. Halas, it's a big, big headache.
This is what one of our long-term clients said about us. They understand that our focus, our main goal at AskA Solution, is to prevent exactly this kind of situation.
So we know the problem is serious. Let's move to and see how this builds, how we at AskA Solution provide the solution. It's about being proactive, not reactive.
We have a very clear, systematic process. First, we come to you. We inspect, we listen, we understand your exact needs. Then, we design and plan a solution that is perfect for your facility.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how we connect every service directly to a benefit for you. For example, our custom maintenance programs mean you have peace of mind, year-round dependability. So, my friend, if our listeners, the managers and engineers, remember only one thing from our talk today, what is the most important point? The crucial point is this: an emergency repair is a sign of failure. Our real job at AskA Solution is to make sure you never need that emergency call. We use advanced diagnostics, scheduled inspections, and the best materials to build systems that last. We are your partners in preventing downtime, not just fixing it. We protect your productivity, your budget, and your reputation. That is our promise. Excellent. So the crucial point is, we are more than a service provider. We are your partner in reliability.
And our experience speaks for itself. We have been serving the industrial heart of Saudi Arabia for more than 30 years. We know the challenges, we understand the standards, and we are committed to the success of your operations.
And because you took the time to listen to this explainer, we want to make a special offer. Let's talk about your facility.
To schedule your free consultation, simply send an email to sales@askasolution.com or visit our website at askasolution.com. Let's prevent problems together. We will leave you with one final thought. Think about your facility right now. Are you truly protected? Thank you for your time. This has been an explainer from your partners at AskA Solution.